teachers, esteemed judges, and my dear friends. A very good morning to one and all present here. First of all, I request Principal Ma'am to allow us to start the activity. Thank you, ma'am. Today, we are gathered for a very special and meaningful event, the Youth Parliament. Youth Parliament is not just an activity, it is a platform where young minds learn the values of democracy, discipline, leadership, and responsible citizenship. It helps us understand how our country is governed and how important discussion, debate, and decision making are in a democracy like India. Through this session, we, the students, will step into the roles of ministers, members of parliament, and the opposition to discuss the issues that affect our society and our future. It encourages us to think critically, speak confidently, and respect different opinions. The youth of today are the leaders of tomorrow. By participating in youth parliament, we learn to raise our voices not in anger but with logic, respect, and responsibility. I hope today's session will inspire us all to become aware, active, and responsible citizens of our nation. With this thought, I take pride in declaring the youth parliament session open. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Honorable members, kindly keep silence and follow the parliamentary rules.
Members are requested to maintain silence. No one will speak without permission.
Order, order. This house is now in session. Honorable members, today we are gathered here for Youth Parliament on the topic drug abuse among youth. This is a serious and sensitive issue affecting students, facilities, and society. The rules of the house are as follows. Speak only when the speaker permits, no shouting or interruptions, and no crosstalk is allowed. Questions must be relevant and the answers must be relevant to the question. Respect everyone's views. Secretary General, please call out the agenda.
Madam Speaker, the agenda for today includes opening statement by the Prime Minister, statements by ministers, question hour, views by opposition, media and youth representative statements, final reply by the Prime Minister, last resolution and the voting.
Thank you. Now I invite the Honorable Prime Minister for their views.
Madam Speaker, respected members of the House, good morning to everyone. Drug abuse among youth is one of the most dangerous problems of today. It destroys their physical health, mental peace, career and family relations. Many students fall into this trap due to peer pressure, curiosity, loneliness or even the wrong company. Some started as fun, but later it becomes an addiction. Madam Speaker, our government believes that this is not just a criminal issue, it is a health and a social issue too. We must prevent it by awareness, counseling programs, etc. Today, my ministers will present the government's plan to protect youth and build a drug-free India. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Thank you, Honorable Prime Minister. Now I invite the Health Minister for their views.
Madam Speaker, drug abuse is a medical emergency. It can weaken the body and damage the mind. It can cause depression, anxiety, health problems and even death. Madam Speaker, we will take these steps. A 24/7 helpline for parents and youth, special awareness health camps, free mental health counseling in schools and colleges. Madam Speaker, drug addiction is a disease, not a joke. The youth needs treatment, care and support to recover. Thank you.
Thank you. Now I would like to invite the Education Minister for their views.
Madam Speaker, schools are the first line of defense. Teachers often notice change in students even before parents do. Plans include weekly awareness sessions in schools, parent-teacher counseling sessions in schools, appointing counselors in each and every school, life skill training programs including handling peer pressure and stress, strict monitoring of any suspicious activity near the school gate. Madam Speaker, we will make schools the safest place where students can speak freely without any fear. Thank you.
Thank you. Home Minister, you may present your views.
Madam Speaker, drug abuse is linked to crime and trafficking. Drug suppliers trap young people to earn money. We will increase police patrolling near schools and colleges. We will conduct surprise raids and we will conduct also strict checking. Madam Speaker, we will not allow any criminal to destroy our future generation. Thank you.
Thank you. Now Youth Affairs and Sports Minister.
Madam Speaker, youth get attracted to drugs mainly because of boredom, stress, and wrong company. If youth is busy in sports, fitness, and positive activities, they stay away from drugs. We will introduce sports clubs in every school and locality, free coaching campaigns for students, yoga, meditation, and stress controlling programs, youth mentoring by successful role models. Madam Speaker, a successful and confident youth chooses dreams, not drugs. Thank you.
Thank you. Now Women and Child Development Minister.
Madam Speaker, drug abuse affects both boys and girls, but girls often suffer silently due to fear and shame. Our ministry will ensure safe counseling spaces for girls in schools, awareness programs for parents to support their children, special support groups for victims of addiction in families, protection against harassment or exploitation linked with drugs. Madam Speaker, every child deserves safety, dignity, and a healthy future. Thank you.
Thank you. Now Social Justice and Welfare Minister.
Madam Speaker, drug abuse is also a social issue. Poor families suffer more because treatment can be costly and awareness is low. Our ministry will focus on free rehabilitation support for underprivileged youth, NGOs counseling and community awareness, skill development and job training for recovered youth, community centers where youth can spend time positively. Madam Speaker, society must not reject youth which wants to improve. We must give them a second chance. Thank you.
Thank you, Minister. Now we will proceed to question hour. Order, order. Question hour begins now. No cross talk. Speak only with permission.
Members are requested to stand only when called. Please maintain discipline.
Madam Speaker, I seek permission to ask a question.
Yes, you may.
What facilities are available for the students who are already addicted?
Health Minister, you will reply.
Madam Speaker, we provide counseling, support, care and treatment for youth to recover. We also encourage the family counseling.
Answer recorded. Next question, please.
Madam Speaker, permission to ask a question.
Yes, you may ask.
Why are drugs still easily available near schools and colleges?
Home Minister, you may reply.
Madam Speaker, we accept this challenge. We are increasing patrolling, doing surprise checks and taking strict action against sellers. Madam Speaker, we also need citizens to report such cases.
Thank you. Next question, please.
Madam Speaker, I have a question.
Permission granted.
What steps are ensured that there are counselors in government schools?
Education Minister, you will reply.
Madam Speaker, we are planning counselor appointments and teacher training programs. We will also have a counselor visit schedule for schools that cannot appoint full-time staff.
Thank you. Next question, please.
Madam Speaker, I seek permission to ask a question.
You may ask.
How will sport programs reach rural and poor students?
Youth Minister, you may answer.
Madam Speaker, we will provide free community coaching camps, school sports kits and local tournaments. We will also provide rural youth in local level school tournaments. Thank you.
Next question, please.
Madam Speaker, may I ask a question?
Proceed.
Why aren't rehabilitation centers aren't available near slum areas where most of the drug issues happen?
Home Minister, you may reply.
स्लम्स में रिबिलियन पहुंचाना बहुत मुश्किल है, पर तब भी हमारी टीम गरीबों को समझा रही है उनकी कंफर्टेबल भाषा में.
Next question, please.
Madam Speaker, I have a question for the Women and Child Development Minister.
Proceed.
How will you ensure girls feel safe to report drug-related pressure and abuse?
Women Minister will answer, please.
Madam Speaker, we will create safe reporting systems, female counselors and awareness workshops. Schools will form student safety committees and anti-bullying policies.
Thank you. Next question.
Madam Speaker, permission to ask a question.
Yes, you may.
What is the government's plan to stop drug supply chains and trafficking?
Prime Minister, you may answer.
Madam Speaker, we will strengthen surveillance, increase coordinations between police and agencies. We will also use awareness and community participation to stop supply at the local level first. Thank you.
मैडम स्पीकर, एक चाय वाला वोट के आधार पे प्राइम मिनिस्टर कैसे बन गया और वो तो देश को संभाल भी नहीं रहे हैं।
Order! Maintain the decorum of the House. Next question, please.
Madam Speaker, I have a question.
Go ahead.
What support will poor families receive for treatment and rehabilitation?
Welfare Minister, you may answer.
Madam Speaker, government rehabilitation centers will provide free support. We will also partner with NGOs regarding to counseling and provide skill training for recovered youth.
Thank you.
Madam
Next
Speaker,
question.
I have another question.
Yes, you may ask.
What steps will be taken against chemists and doctors who provide drugs illegally?
Health Minister, you may answer.
Madam Speaker, strict inspection and license check will be conducted. Anyone found guilty will have to face legal punishment and cancellation of license.
Thank you. Next question.
Madam Speaker, permission to ask a question.
Yes, you may ask.
How will you involve parents in preventing drug abuse?
Education Minister, they will reply.
Madam Speaker, we will organize parent-teacher counseling sessions, awareness sessions and guiding workshops.
Thank you. Next question, please.
Madam Speaker, may I ask a question?
Yes, you may.
What will the government do to stop peer pressures and make youth confident to say no?
Youth Minister, they will reply, please.
Madam Speaker, we will conduct life skill workshops, peer mental groups, and motivational sessions. We will also promote sports and clubs where students can learn confidence and leadership. Thank you.
Thank you. Are there any more questions on the floor? A number of 3 to 4 supplementary questions will only be allowed.
Madam Speaker, I seek permission to ask a question to the Education Minister.
Yes, you may.
अगर स्कूल्स और कॉलेजेस में ड्रग अब्यूज बढ़ता जा रहा है तो सिलेबस बदलने से क्या होगा? आपका कॉन्क्रीट एक्शन प्लान क्या है?
We are planning some strategies including weekly awareness sessions in schools, strict monitoring of any suspicious activity in schools and colleges. Thank you.
Next question, please.
Madam Speaker, I seek permission to ask another question.
Yes, you may.
For the Women and Child Development Minister, I wanted to ask, how will you prevent that young ones are not treated as criminals?
We are strengthening the NDPS Act. We are also cracking down all drug networks. We are spreading awareness even in the local areas, and we are enforcing new laws to prevent this.
Any more questions on the floor? No questions, so hence question hour is now concluded. We will now invite opposition for their viewpoints. Leader of opposition, you may speak.
Madam Speaker, respected members, this issue is serious and we appreciate the discussion. But I must say, the government is focusing more on speeches than on real action. The reality is, drug sellers still operate openly in many areas. Rehab centers are limited and not accessible for all. Counselors are missing in many schools. And finally, youth mental stress is rising, but the support is not enough. We demand strict action against traffickers and sellers, counselors in every school, mandatory awareness programs every month, and finally, strong parent-school coordination. Madam Speaker, our youth is the future, and we cannot afford to lose them. Thank you.
Opposition member 1, you may speak.
Madam Speaker, drug abuse is spreading because many youth feel directionless. If we give youth career opportunities, guidance and mentorship, they will not fall into drugs. Government should introduce counseling in schools, job training programs and skill-based education. Madam Speaker, give youth hope and purpose and drugs will automatically reduce. Thank you.
Opposition member 2, they may speak now.
Madam Speaker, families play an important role. Children often use drugs when they feel ignored or misunderstood. Parents should spend time with children, listen without judging, guide them with love. I request government to run campaigns on parenting and communication. Thank you.
Thank you. Opposition member 3, they may speak now.
Madam Speaker, let us talk about social media also. Many youth get influenced by wrong content and fake lifestyle trends. The government should monitor harmful online content, promote positive youth influence, conduct digital awareness programs. Madam Speaker, prevention must be both online and offline. Thank you.
Thank you. Opposition member 4.
Madam Speaker, I appreciate the steps suggested by the government. However, I want to bring your attention to some ground changes. In many areas, drug sellers still manage to reach students. Also, awareness programs are not regular in schools. We want the government to strengthen the implementation by conducting regular checking their schools, ensuring counselors, increasing the number of rehabilitation centers. Madam Speaker, by strong implementations, these plans can become real. Thank you.
Thank you. Now I invite the media representative for their views.
मैडम स्पीकर, आज हमने बहुत योजनाएं और वादे सुने हैं। जनता जानना चाहती है कि ये योजनाएं कब लागू होंगी। मैं सरकार से निवेदन करता हूं कि हमें बताया जाए कि ये योजनाएं कब लागू होंगी। धन्यवाद।
Thank you. Now the youth representative, please.
Madam Speaker, I want to speak as a youth voice. Young people do not choose drugs because they are bad. No, they choose it because they can't share their feelings with their parents and teachers. We need support, not shame. We need guidance, not punishment. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Thank you. After all the viewpoints, we will proceed to the resolution. Prime Minister, they may give the final reply.
Madam Speaker, I thank all the members for the suggestions. Government accepts that this issue needs a strong ground action. We will definitely ensure counselors and awareness programs in schools, strict actions against drug sellers, free rehabilitation support for needy youth, sports and youth engagement programs, community and parent involvement. This is not just a government's duty, it is a responsibility of schools, society, families and the youth themselves. Together, we build a drug-free India. Thank you.
Honorable members, the House will now pass the resolution. This House resolves to fight drug abuse among youth through awareness, counseling, strict law enforcement, rehabilitation, sports programs, and community participation. All those in favor of the resolution say aye.
Aye.
All those against it say no.
No.
The ayes have it. The resolution is passed. Secretary General, please know the resolution has been adopted.
Noted, Madam Speaker. Resolution adopted.
House members is requested to maintain silence for final announcement.
Now everyone is requested to stand up for national anthem.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे सब जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Now I request Madam Principal to address us and give the feedback to the students. We are thankful to Principal Ma'am She always motivates us and support us for such type of activities. Thank you, ma'am.